This video will walk through how to create a new company. Before creating a quote or contract, it is important to create a company in the system. We recommend creating a demo company to use when getting accustomed to the system. To create a company, you're going to want to go to Companies and then choose Companies from the drop-down. Then we're going to click on Add Company and give it a name. So for this, I'll just go with example company. You can also add a phone number and an image as well. Now, if you check the demo checkbox, that's going to be for creating a company for testing purposes, and it'll allow you to be able to enter unique serial numbers multiple times. So when you're done, you just click Save. Once a company is created, you can add users, contacts, locations, and sales reps to be associated with the company profile and a corresponding quote.